These are sick!
Yeah, they look good, don't they?
Yeah, dude! Ah!
Welcome to the Tale of Two Smitties. We're Cody and Laura, and if you're new here, let's catch you up. Before winter, we bought a school bus, a big, yellow school bus. Cody flew out to Phoenix with Laura's dad, Grant, to make the drive back to downtown Dallas. Since then, we've been plugging away on our Skoolie bus conversion, turning a bus into a tiny home on wheels. We've had help from both of our dads, Cody's dad, Wayne, and Laura's dad, Grant. So, if you'd like to follow along on our journey towards bus life, click subscribe and sit back, relax, and enjoy the Tale of Two Smitties. This week we flew to New Jersey. Traveling doesn't mesh too well with trying to finish building a home, but it was my cousin's wedding and we were going. New Jersey's where I grew up, and though we love Texas, New Jersey's still home to me. So for my cousin's wedding, we packed up, headed to the airport, and took off for the Garden State. My parents scooped us up at the airport. By the way, Dad says hi to all his fans. And I demanded we head straight for pizza. The next day, we got to drive around and show Laura where they grew up, good old Bergen County.
Bedroom was the one on the left, then it was the one on the right.
Mom's parents retired to Arizona, so I never spent time here. And this is where Dad grew up. My grandparents actually lived here until just a couple years ago when they passed, so I spent many holidays here. So we used this template to get the cut at the right spot, and then now we're just making sure that we screw this in square. So we're using the square to do that. All right, let's do it. Beauty. We are using 1¼ inch overlay hinges. You can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot. We found a good deal on Facebook Marketplace.
So let's see how this theory comes out.
Good?
Yep.
Just the hole. Perfect.
Like both of us trying to be up on the.
Oh, this is not the same pattern here. This gap's bigger than this gap.
Oh, significantly. Okay, while Cody is doing the hinge on that last cabinet door, I want to ask the question of the day this week. So I want to do black. That's Cody. I want to do black leather pulls on all of our kitchen cabinets, spoiler alert, and I'm having trouble deciding what type of pull I want to do. So that's where y'all come in. Let me know which you think is best. A straight across black leather handle, it'll be like this. Option B is more of like a loop tab style. So it'll go kind of like this. I think those are the only two options. I'm really undecided, so I would really, really love your opinions. So please vote in the comments, do option A or option B. And if you think it would be way better natural brown leather, let me know that too. I'm pretty set on black, but let me know. Come on in. Do you want to see the options? Or do you want to wait for the video? I found this. Isn't that perfect?
No, if it looks like that, we're getting different pulls.
I went trash digging. These are sick!
Yeah, they look good, don't they?
Yeah, dude!